حكمتك وانشر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.
Hi, good afternoon class. I am teacher Nurafiza Nasir. Will teach you how to write a short communicative message. Okay, before we continue to that part, I want to brief you roughly about paper 2 in PT3. Okay, you have done the exercise in module that follow the format of paper 1 in PT3. Now, I want you to know the writing test format for paper 2. Okay, as you can see, there are two parts of essay that you have to answer. Both parts will consume 20 marks respectively. The total mark for this paper is 40. Part 1 is short communicative message, and for part 2 is semi-formal essay. Each one consumes 20 marks. Okay, for short communicative message, you have to respond an informal message. Okay, what is informal? Informal in bahasa means tidak rasmi. Okay, informal message includes email, informal letter, short message, notes and postcard. Okay, so what should you do and should not do while writing short communicative message? Okay, you should read the task of at least 2 times carefully. I repeat 2 times. Use contractions such as I am, I have, I can't. Make it sound chatty, as if you are talking to your friends. Chatty means seakan bersembang dengan kawan. Okay, you should not miss out any important information or keywords ataupun isi penting in the instruction such as the word advice, opinion and so on. And you should not too formal. Awak menjadi terlampau rasmi. Okay. And you should not write too long and exceed the word limits. It's okay for you to write in 80 to 90 words. Okay, this is important points that you have to include in your writing communicative message, short communicative message. First, the greetings ataupun ucapan pendahuluan. Second is intention. Intention means your tujuan. Okay, next is reason. Reason is alasan. Reason 1, reason 2, and the lastly is pen off. Pen off means penutup. Okay, this is example how you can start your writing. For greetings, you may use the sentence like, hi, how are you? Or, hey, how is it going? Okay, for intention and state your choice, you may use, the reason I write this to you is because I want to. Okay, for reason 1, you may use the sentence like, firstly, I think you should because, or you may use, firstly, I would like to suggest because, or you can use this, I think you would like it because this is a good opportunity to. Okay, students, you may use the sentence for reason 2, you may add the words like furthermore, moreover, in addition, on that day, on that date, on then that, or besides. Or okay, for pen off ataupun untuk penutup, you may use the sentence like I hope you can make it, or I hope you can join, or I need to go now. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, this is the tulang. Okay, the content in your writing. Okay, you may also, okay, students, you can read by your own this slide. Start with hi instead of dear. Okay. Next, make sure you are answering the questions, opinion, suggestion, or advice. Or you may use appropriate phrases such as I recommend, you can, you should, followed by your valid reasons. Or for the pen off, you may end your writing with phrases such as looking forward to seeing you, good luck for your exam, or see you soon. Okay. Okay. Now, I am showing you the useful phrases that you can use for introduction or greetings. Okay. First, you may use, it's great to hear from you. Many thanks for your email. Lovely to hear from you. How are you? How are things with you? How is it going? And so on. Okay. This is for the greetings part, or for the introduction part. Okay, next. The useful expression that you can use to give suggestion or reason. You need, remember students, you have to at least have 2 reasons in your writing. So this is the suggestion for your reason. The example you may use like this, okay? You should, you ought to, if I were you, I would. Why don't you? Or it would be a good idea to. What you should do is, how about, I think you should. Okay, the best advice I can give you is, or I recommend. Okay, this is the best sentence for the, if you want to give the suggestion. Okay. Okay, how about the closing remarks or pen off ataupun penutup? You may use this sentence in your writing. Okay, I trust you will accept this advice. Hope this has helped. Take care of yourself. Look after yourself. Well, time to go. Got to go now. Okay, it sounds chatty, right? Okay, don't write the formal sentence in your writing, okay? Okay, and you may read the other sentence that I have put in the slides. Okay, next. Can you use idioms or proverbs? What is idioms? Idioms in bahasa means simpulan bahasa. Yes, of course you can use that. Alright, students. Okay, idioms to be used in the beginning and closing of short communicative message. For opening, you may use, okay, for simpulan bahasa. Contohnya simpulan bahasa di dalam bahasa Melayu. Contohnya, bagai aur dengan tebing. Okay, bagai langit dengan bumi. Okay, for in English, the idioms like this. Okay, hi for opening. Hi, how are you? I hope you are in the best of health. I am over the moon because you are coming. Over the moon is idioms. Okay? Ataupun over the moon is simpulan bahasa. Okay, next for opening. You may use, hi, how is it going? I hope you are fit as fiddle. I am over the moon to know that you are coming to Sarawak. Over the moon means the writer is so happy. Okay? He used the idioms that show he is so happy. Okay. Or you may use like this. Hello, how are you? I hope you are fit as fiddle. The holiday is around the corner. I am excited as I can spend my time watching The Walking Dead. Okay, around the corner. It shows the writer use the idioms. Okay, for ending, untuk penutup, you can use the sentence like this. Okay, I think I need to pen off now. Pen off. Okay, pen off now. Maksudnya means the writer need to go. So, he pen off. Drop me a line when you have time. Bye. Instead of you write, I wait for your news. You may use drop me a line. Okay. The sentence sounds good. Okay. I think I need to pen off now. I have got bigger fish to fry. Got bigger fish to fry. See you soon, my friend. Goodbye. Or you may use, okay, I need to pen off now. My mother is calling. Don't forget to drop me a line as I will be waiting around the clock for your reply. Take care. Bye. Okay, that's are the idioms that you can use in your writing. Okay, students, how can make your communicative message to be crispy and delicious? By linking words. What is linking words? Linking words is help you, the words that help you to connect ideas and sentences when you speak or write English. Okay, I'll show you what are the linking words that you can use. Okay, this is the examples of linking words. Okay, for giving example, for instance, sequencing ideas. First and foremost. Secondly, finally. Okay, for adding information, you can use this word. In addition, as well as, also, to, furthermore, moreover, and so on. Okay, this is the linking words. Okay, giving a reason, because of, since, as. Okay, giving a result, therefore, so, consequently. This means that as a result, and for contrasting ideas, but, however, although, even though, despite, in spite of, while, whereas, or unlike. Okay, these words may help you to make your sentence sounds good. Okay, students, this is your homework. Let's try to write one of short communicative message now. Okay, the question is, read the message from your cousin Danny. Okay, the message, hi, I have been thinking of joining a class at the community center next month. I was thinking of either joining the karate class, guitar class, or woodworking class. What do you think? Please help me decide. Thanks, Danny. In about 80 words, write a message to Danny, giving him some advice. Okay, what do you understand from this question? I told before you need to read the question 2 times. So let's read again. Hi, I have been thinking of joining a class at the community center next month. I was thinking of either joining the karate class, guitar class, or woodworking class. What do you think? Please help me decide. Thanks, Danny. Okay, students. Dalam soalan ni, okay, Danny, he wants to joining a class. There are three choices. Whether he wants to join the karate class, guitar class, or woodworking class. So, kalau awak, what is your suggestion? Okay? Awak nak Danny masuk kelas apa? Karate class ke, guitar class ke, or woodworking class? Okay, jom kita buat sama-sama. Let's do together. Okay? Okay, you can take out your writing books. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, class. Firstly, you have to greet Danny. So what is the words that you may greet Danny? So you can use hi Danny. Okay. Okay, then greetings you may use how are you? Okay, that sounds chatty, right? Okay, then you may use this sentence. I just read your message. Okay, full stop. After thinking about it, I feel that the best class for you okay, the best class for you to join is the karate. Okay. Okay, this is for the suggestions. Okay. Greetings, how are you? I just read your message. Okay, for the intention or for the reason one. So I feel that the best class for you to join is the karate. Okay. Karate class, sorry. Karate class. Full stop. Okay, the reason. The reason why Danny should enter the karate class is, you may use the sentence like this. You have been interested in the martial art. Okay. Therefore, okay, you may use therefore. Therefore is the linking words. Therefore, this is your opportunity to learn one. This is the reason one, okay? Okay, for reason two, you may use furthermore. Okay, this is the reason one, to learn one. Sorry. Okay, this learn one is for reason one. Okay, for the reason two, you may use the linking words like furthermore. Furthermore, karate will sorry. Okay, we continue. Furthermore, karate will help you okay, karate will help you to keep fit and also lose weight. Okay. Okay, this is the reason 2. Okay, next. You did say the other day. Okay, this is the additional sentence. Okay, let's make it your writing can read good, can look good. Ada said the other day that you had put on some weight. Okay. Okay, for the next sentence, you may use like apart from that, karate will teach you how to defend, how to defend yourself too. Okay, for the closing, I hope I have been helpful. Okay. However, it is up to you to make the final decision. Best of luck. From Harry. Okay, that is the example for the answer. Okay. Okay, students, for those who do not understand, you can private message your English class teacher, or you can private message me. Okay. Okay, the homework for today for week 10, you may use this in your homework. Okay, students, from me. Okay, good luck. Bye.